The Atlanta Union Mission was started back in 1938 as a soup kitchen. The organization is now called the Atlanta Mission, and let me tell you a little bit about the amazing work they are doing. In 2013, in just 1 year, they served more than 880,000 meals. That's over 2,000 a day. They ended homelessness for 738 people. They helped almost 500 people obtain employment, and they served 327 families. And I'd now like to welcome to our show the president and CEO of the Atlanta Mission, Jim Reese. Jim, thank you so much for being here with us.
It's great to be with you today. Thanks.
Now, when people hear about the Atlanta Mission, I don't know if our listeners, or a lot of our listeners, really understand what the primary purpose of the mission is. So if you don't mind, if you could share that with us.
You bet. So our mission statement is we want to transform through Christ the lives of those facing homelessness. So our primary focus is to help people out of homelessness. You know, could be caused by loss of their job, could be caused by an addiction issue, anything, Gary. Our heart is we're a Christian ministry that would help them no longer be homeless.
Oh, I love that mission. Now, when a lot of us think of someone being homeless, we mainly think of men, but that's not necessarily the case. There are also women and children out there on the streets. Tell us, if you would, how the Atlanta Mission is out there helping women and children.
Yeah, just the largest growing population of homelessness is women and kids. And so we have a place called My Sister's House. Our heart there is we have moms with their kids together. We help them get education. We help them with life-controlling issues, give them a chance to really get their life back together and move out of homelessness.
Well, I'd love for us to show a clip now about a mom that was out there on the street with her two adopted children. Her name is Veronica. And I'm going to ask Adam Word, our executive producer, to play that clip for us now about one of your success stories.
Hi, my name is Veronica, and I'm from Beaufort, Georgia. I moved here about 12 years ago from New York. I'm here with my two children that God gave to me. My children are both adopted, and I've had them since birth. Unfortunately, about 5 years ago, I started drinking alcohol. Started slowly, and then within a 5-year period of time, spiraled. It took me to being arrested for 4 DUIs. I found myself in jail, and at that time, I knew that I needed help. And I think it was necessary for God to pull everything from me to be able to get my attention. And I happened to be in jail with a young lady who told me about Atlanta Mission. I didn't know that such a place existed. I had anxiety about what would happen to me, my children, could I keep them with me? But I came here definitely with a spirit of gratitude and relief that there was something out there that would help me through my alcohol addiction, as well as help my family get back on their feet. When I walked in the doors of Atlanta Mission, I really struggled with what my future looked like. Since I've been at Atlanta Mission, God has clearly shown me what my purpose is in life. I have had the fortunate responsibility of being the head cook on the mother's team. God recently laid upon my heart to feed the homeless and start a street ministry where me and some of my sisters from Atlanta Mission are going to go out into the streets with food and deliver the message of God. I want to thank each and every donor that gives money, time, prayers, and even mere thoughts about us. Because honestly, without you, I couldn't be where I am. My name is Veronica, and my life has been transformed.
Wow, what a powerful story about Veronica. And I love the fact that she's reestablished her relationship with God and is now seeking to help others. Jim, what goes through your mind when you see Veronica tell her story?
Well, you know, when you see her smile and you see a life transformed, and you know, you hear about the past, but our whole thing is to help people really see what God can do in their future. And Veronica's a great example of that.
Yeah, and she was homeless with 2 kids, and I understand there are a lot of women's shelters out there that aren't equipped to handle children, and this often forces the mom to be separated from the kids. But you have a different program called My Sister's House. Tell us about that, if you would.
Yeah, at My Sister's House, we take women and women with their kids. And so if a mom has children, we try and keep them together. Our heart is to reunite that family. And you know, the child many times just happens to be part of the circumstance.
And I know our listeners and viewers were equally touched as we were when we saw Veronica's story. How can they get involved? How can they help?
Yeah, you know, I think the best way for people truly to come and help make a difference for us is to go to our website, theatlantamission.org. And there you get an opportunity to give. We always need financial help. Just as an example, it cost us over $250,000 just to provide the utilities at my sister's house. They can volunteer, or they have an opportunity to give at our thrift stores. Any of those things would make a difference in lives like Veronica and many more.
Great. All right. Again, the website is atlantamission.org. They could use your money, your time, certainly volunteer, and your prayers.
Yeah.
So please check it out, atlantamission.org. Let's help the men and women and children that are out there that are homeless in Atlanta. Jim, thank you for being here with us.
It's a pleasure. And you said an important thing. Please pray.
Thank you. We'll be right back.